This method can help us to understand key questions in photosynthesis research, such as the fate of captured light energy in light harvesting complexes, its kinetics, and efficiency of transfer. The main advantage of this technique is that liposomes provide a membrane compartment resembling the native state of a thylakoid membrane, allowing for studies of ion and pH changes during photosynthesis.
To begin the protocol, centrifuge previously prepared C. Meneghiniana cells at 4300 times G in a pre-cooled rotor at 4 degrees Celsius with 500 milliliter centrifuge vials for 15 minutes. Resuspend the cell pellets homogenization buffer by shaking and pipetting. Transfer the suspension to a single suitable plastic tube and restrict the final volume to 12 milliliters. Next, pre-cool the bead mill and equipment for about 60 minutes. Fill the 50 milliliter beaker up to 75% with a glass bead mixture. And add the cell suspension. And stir it with a spatula or glass rod and add HB if necessary. For cell disruption, use 7 by 45 second pulses at full speed with 30 seconds of cooling between each pulse. Filter the disrupted cells over a glass filter funnel and wash them by pouring the HB over the glass beads until they appear clear. Then, pool the wash fraction with the filtrate and keep the final volume lower than 100.